Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be taking a look at something pretty special, so let's get started. So first of all, what we need to go is into Nintendo.com, and that's because from there we can check out where Nintendo is available. So let's just go into Nintendo.com, just click on hardware, your second option up here, and from here what we could do is just go into Nintendo Switch lineup. Once you do that, this will load up, and instead of just clicking through these things, just go on the top right hand side. You will see buy now. Just click on buy now, and once you do that, you're gonna see this page where you guys get to choose whichever console you want. So let's say you guys want the new one. You can see right here, you can find the retailers. You can see the price, plus you can go on to find the retailer and check out where it's available. So if we scroll down, I can take a look at this model as well. I can check out the retailer, whoever has that. And same deal, if I keep scrolling down, I'm going to see the other one. So here's the older Nintendo Switch. Yes, this would have a smaller screen technically. If we keep scrolling down, we're going to see the same one. And then special edition. So if you're going to go for the normal Nintendo Switch, the first one that came out, just go for a special edition one like this. Even Animal Crossing, even if you don't like it that much, I would still go for it. And if we keep scrolling down, we're gonna see Nintendo Switch Lite. There's various colors to choose from. This is the cheapest version, and that's because you are limiting yourself of what you can do with this versus a Nintendo Switch. So it does have its limits, but hey, if you're just gonna play handheld all the time, 100% go on for the Lite. Anyways, I'm just gonna scroll up, and I'm gonna show you an example. So we're gonna start up with this one because this one's usually the one that gets sold out immediately, and this is the neon version. So we're gonna click on find a retailer. Then from here, this will see where you're at. So if this doesn't have the right location, just type in where you're at exactly. So let's say you're in Toronto, just click on here. We're gonna see everywhere that it's in stock and where it's out of stock. So we can see that all these websites, it says out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. The only way that we can get it in Toronto, for example, would be in Target, in store only. However, let's say maybe in your city it's not in stock, but it might be in the city next to you. And from what I can see right now is that GameStop does say out of stock. However, it does say call for stock. So that probably means that we can only order online. So I'm going to click on GameStop for now, just to view it. And if I just scroll down a little bit, I can see right here. I'm going to click on it and take a look. So right now I can see that I can actually buy this. I can add it to my cart and then just collect it in store. So maybe I can't get it shipped to my house, but I can go to the store and collect it from there. I do want to highlight that sometimes the neon version does get sold out faster than the white version. It really does depend. So in GameStop, depending on what I want to buy, if I click on Nintendo Switch, for example, then I go into console, I'm gonna see this. Right now it's telling me out of stock for the neon version, and then this version, the white version, which is the exact same thing, it's just a color difference. It does tell me to click and collect, so I can click right there, see that this is available, so I can add it to my cart if that's what I wanted. So at this point, what I can do is just go into my cart. So that's on the top right hand side. I'm gonna see items total. I'm gonna see the white version right here. And what you should do is create an account. So even before going to checkout, just create an account so that way you can track everything that you shop from here, and it's just going to be better overall. Just go over your history. So on the top left hand side, you will see account login or register. So if you guys can log in right now, go ahead. If you haven't registered yet, right now would be the time to do that. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Once you click on register, you're going to see this. Just fill this up. It's your first name, last name, your birthday, put your phone number, then we're going to put your email address, repeat the same email address, create a password. So do not put the same password that you have for your email, create a new password, and then just repeat it. So I'm going to put don't use, and then just repeat that password. Down here below, you're going to put confirm. I'm going to put a check mark on all of these. And once I'm done, I'm just going to click down here below on the left hand side. I'm going to see register now. So once you filled out everything, they will send you a verification email. Just make sure to check that out. But anyways, once you have done so, just make sure to go into your items. So it's on the top right hand side. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Here is my checkout. So I'm just going to click on the bottom right hand side, go to checkout. And I should see this. At this point, I can only go and collect in store. So I cannot ship it to my house. That's just not an option at the moment. Not 100% sure why. Anyways, I'm just going to locate a store. So once you select your store, you're just gonna have to go on to next payment options. That's on the bottom left hand side. Then it's gonna bring you up to this page where you can go on, put the name on your card. So this is just your credit card information. It could be MasterCard, Visa, or American Express. So name on card, card number, expiration date. If you scroll down, just look at your billing details. And once you put all your information on the bottom, again, you're going to be able to see this. Next, review your order. So just review that everything makes sense. Again, the cost should stay all the same. Nothing should have moved. And on the bottom, I do want to highlight this. If somebody else can pick it up for you, they can. So you just put their first name, their last name, then just click down here on confirm. And then on the bottom, finally, just confirm order. And finally, once we are done, it's just gonna give you an email. So just make sure to take a screenshot of this. Although there's no number or anything to verify here, usually they give you an order number or something like that. However, at this point, it's all about getting that email. So make sure to just check out your email. But for now, we're all done with this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.